Morning, everyone. So things are consolidating a little bit. We had some pullbacks on a few things. I saw some pullback, a little pullback on gold, nothing major, pullback on Bitcoin just a little bit. A lot of things in the red right now, but that makes sense. There was some selling pressure, a respectable amount of selling pressure. People are going to take profits. I wouldn't be surprised if there at some point is a major pullback before things go up to that next level. But here we have a very interesting article about Bitcoin and XRP, which we know Bitcoin is a huge catalyst for most of the market. People have been making some good money with Bitcoin. Hey, I'll say this. When I got sick like a couple weeks back, I'm still recovering, by the way. I still haven't gotten over this cough. I don't know what it is. This cough has just been lingering and lingering. So people be careful out there because something is going around, and that cough hangs on for a while. It makes it hard to talk. So, but anyway, as I was trying to get better, there was around that time when I got a very big bag of Solana, Chainlink, and I was like, you know what the heck? Let me just go in on some Bitcoin. This is right before Bitcoin began to take off, right? And I have been saying for some time that I thought Bitcoin was going to go up at some point because of all the different ETF activity, not because of retail, but because of whale activity. I keep saying it again, whale activity behind the scenes. And I personally believe proxy buys. Now, those proxy buys, which are big money companies and big money people buying Bitcoin through other entities or individuals that on their behalf, that's what I believe drives the price up and what brings it down. They will control the market. So, but we'll get to that another time. We have an article here with a very interesting prediction for Bitcoin as well as XRP and the correlation between them. So this article is titled Google Bard predicts XRP price if Bitcoin hits $500,000. I want them both to go high. I'll make money off of both. Why not? We're here to make money. It says Google Bard projects XRP to hit price levels such as $3, $10, or beyond $10 based on several scenarios should the Bloomberg, so Bloomberg is the one making this prediction, should the Bloomberg forecast of a $500,000 price for Bitcoin materialize. Whoa! Holy smokes, that's an insane price prediction. Who knows when that happens? I say if that were to happen, probably in the next 2 years. I wouldn't say it'd be immediate. Immediately, I think you see a little bit of a pullback, possibly. If not, if it's not a pullback, I'm looking at that $45,000 level, right? $45,000 level. Then at that point, I'm thinking about taking a little bit of profit. I'm telling you right now, because at that level, I think a lot of people are going to watch the sell pressure. I think a lot of people are going to take profit. And then at that level, there could be another little pullback before it goes a little bit higher. Right now, people are sure they'll go all in for a while, let it go up and just watch that sell pressure on the charts. And I think that people will take profit quicker than before on every asset. That's on everything. That's why when you see things like XRP go up, then it goes down. People take profit very quickly right now. I don't think Bitcoin is going to be any different. Keep in mind, people need to pay bills. They have all this important stuff to do. So right now is a time for the sharks. I'm telling you, not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, but I think the wise people, in my humble opinion, going to take profit when they can. Once again, not financial advice. It says a Bloomberg article recently suggested that the latest Bitcoin upsurge is just the beginning of a new super cycle that will take Bitcoin to $500,000. Now, I got another video coming later. If you think this is the most bullish Bitcoin prediction, nope, it's not. But this will pull up the rest of the crypto market. If Bitcoin goes higher, it will pull up everything else. That liquidity will begin to a little bit of it will leave Bitcoin, go into other coins. We saw this in the last bull market when Bitcoin was doing great. Everyone was having a great time. This is why even if the person doesn't have Bitcoin, it's very advantageous to keep up with what's going on with Bitcoin. It says here, as the leading crypto asset, Bitcoin's price movements often dictate the flow of the broader crypto market. As a result, if Bitcoin hits $500,000, other assets such as XRP, this is what I was just trying to convey, other assets such as XRP could witness similar price surges if they correlate with Bitcoin's price. Now, what's significant about this to me is that if Bitcoin hits $500,000 and like this article and Bloomberg are saying then XRP could possibly go to $3, $5, $10. Holy smokes. That is significant enough to pay attention to, even though my interest in XRP hinges on the banks. Let the banks come in later and boost it up even more. That's like 2 sprinkles of topping. I mean, it doesn't get better than that. So yeah, I would love to see this happen 100%. I can't even say let the Bitcoin people make their money anymore because I have some Bitcoin now. So I'm going to make some money too. I'm going to make money wherever I can. I make money in commodities. I make money in the bank coins. I make money in short-term plays in crypto, short-term plays in stocks. Wherever I can make money, I'm going to make money. I think all wise people will do that if they have the capital to play with. Get what I'm saying? So, I mean, this is huge. So this is coming from Google Bard. Here's scenario 1. Oh, they have different scenarios. Let's go into it, folks. Click that like button, please. I would greatly appreciate it. Let's keep the channel alive. Can we keep the channel alive? Scenario number 1, moderate spillover. XRP hits $1.50 to $3. By the way, let me put this out there before people flood my comment section. There's been so much negativity in my comment section. It's been unbelievable lately. I am not a maxi. I have never been a maxi. If anything, I like to make money, so therefore, I guess you should call me a moneymaker. That's it, all right? So I can cover anything, XRP, XLM, you know, when there's something to cover, Bitcoin. According to Google Bard, a moderate spillover effect is conceivable in this scenario. Bitcoin's upward momentum is a confidence booster for the broader crypto market, positively impacting XRP. Bard says XRP could surge to $1.50 or $3 in this scenario, which now going by my experience, all right, yours may be different. Maybe what you see is different. Every eye sees differently, right? But usually it takes some time. Bitcoin takes off. It goes off for a little while, and then that liquidity starts to feed into other assets. So there's a little bit of lag, for lack of a better word, but it comes in due time, but things are starting to get fun. Scenario number 2, strong synergy. XRP hits $5 to $10. It says Google Bard suggested that a more substantial synergy between Bitcoin's rally and XRP surge could lead to higher price targets. It says Bard set a $5 to $10 target in this scenario with a 1,512% rally necessary for XRP to reach $10. However, recall that XRP has continued decollaborating from Bitcoin's price movements, as the Crypto Basic recently revealed. That's their opinion. You can take it or leave it, right? Besides the synergy, Bard called attention to a favorable resolution of Ripple's legal case. Okay, so they're going into different variables and caveats right now. So now, scenario number 3, and this is one that I've been talking about for a long time, that I definitely keep my eye on, because the banking industry, the Western financial system, the global financial system is doing terrible. Definitely are heading into depression level event, possibly, unless they can turn the ship around. So scenario number 3, Black Swan event. XRP goes beyond $10. I agree with that. I vehemently agree with that. It says, in the most optimistic scenario, Google Bard envisions a Black Swan event triggering an unprecedented surge in XRP's value beyond $10. This could manifest through a major partnership involving a global financial leader. Remember, I was saying that's all it takes is one major announcement. They've been doing good announcements all along. The people just don't care. But if there's one major announcement, and I know they're sitting on major information, especially if what we hear behind the scenes is true. There's a lot of stuff that people convey behind the scenes that you can't really verify, but it's coming from reputable sources, right? But there's no telling if they're ever going to announce that stuff. And it's the same for Ripple as well as Stellar. Let me put that out there. Ripple, Stellar, and Algorand, right? But you never know if they're going to put that information out there, if it's actually going to come to fruition. Is a deal going to fall through? You never know. But what I'm saying is all it would take is one major announcement and boom. And they continue to show that they can bring in major partnerships, major activities, right? It's just about coming out with one that's major enough to make people care again, you know? It says also a groundbreaking technological innovation enhancing XRP's capabilities, or a sudden and drastic regulatory paradigm shift in favor of cryptocurrency adoption could trigger this. Yes, that also, I agree with that as well. These unpredictable events can propel XRP's price well beyond conventional expectations. Now, what you believe is up to you. All right. I can't tell you. I'm just here to research and report the news. I am a reporter, right? A lot of people take these things very personally. XRP can't do this. It can't do that. I'm not here to argue with anyone or convince you of anything. I had somebody come into a comment section the other day. I bought one XRP. I'm not here to convince anybody to buy any XRP. I'm not an influencer. I don't have a new crypto gem to sell you. You know, I'm just reporting on something that I do hold, I do find interesting, I think has a lot of potential, and I do a lot of research on, and I always like to share my research. That's it. That's all. There's no influencing here. You don't have to buy any XRP, XLM, Bitcoin. That means nothing to me. It makes no difference to me. Just putting that out there, because a lot of people come, I guess they're like, maybe they watch a lot of influencer channels. They think everybody's an influencer. It's like, no, not me, not over here. Now that the bank coins don't move, even, let's say this, people buy tons of XLM all the time, tons of XRP all the time. Have you seen any crazy price action? Okay, if you haven't seen any crazy price action with all these people buying all this different XRP, XLM, Quant, then why would anybody try to convince someone to buy XRP, XLM? That's up to you. That's like a personal thing. If that individual believes in those projects, you get what I'm saying? So I don't understand that mentality. I think it tells me that a lot of people really don't understand the difference between the bank coins and regular cryptos. Like now, I see a bunch of cryptos popping off. It's like, why? Is there a catalyst why? It's just people just randomly throwing money in there? That gives me a sense of caution, but it doesn't work that way. They're tokenomics. They make it sound real fancy. It's just because they may have a lower circulating supply. They were designed that way to go high faster at given the right amount of capital to be put in there. And the bank coins are not designed that way. They're designed with a higher amount of coins because they were made for banking systems. You have Stellar trying to become the base of the new financial system. I have a video coming out about that. XRP trying to be the top layer where they move all that big money. So they have a higher circulating supply. It's going to be harder for them to lift off. So at that point, retail, like I said, retail doesn't matter. It's about the people who actually believe XRP can go to a $20, a $50, a $10 if they have a ton of XRP, $5 if you have a massive ton of XRP, right? Lower prices are if you have even more XRP. $35, $50, even the people who believe in $500 XRP, $10,000. Those are the type of people that, whether you agree with them or not, they have the visionary eye and are long-term investors in XRP. And if XRP is to do what it's supposed to do, those are the people who will see that beautiful day when generational wealth will come. Anybody else looking for short-term price actions and stuff like that, sure, that may come from time to time, but other than, most of the time, maybe a little bit disappointed. This is why I always promote being balanced. You have your short-term money plays and you have your long-term plays. And I don't promote tribalism. That's another thing. I keep telling people this, but I think people come into the channel, they just watch like 10 seconds and then that's it. I had somebody come into the channel the other day and they're like, 30 minutes video? No, I'm like complaining about how long the video is when I worked hard to put like 8 chapters in. Some videos have 4 chapters. That's different topics each chapter. Some videos have 15 chapters. Some videos have 10 chapters. I worked hard to put a lot of information into those videos, but a lot of people come in and there's like a 30-minute video about XRP. And it's like, the whole video is not about XRP. Like, this is the stuff when you become a YouTube content creator, you're going to face this. Just know that. And I'm putting it out there because a lot of people have let me know, hey, Mick, I'm interested in becoming a content creator. You're going to have to, there's a lot of voices. If you choose to be in that comment section, there's a lot of voices you're going to deal with. They're not always going to be positive. You have to have a very strong mind to deal with that. There's going to be a complaint about everything. Not everyone's going to understand what you do. You just have to keep chugging along. So, yeah, there's that. So I appreciate every single one of you. I hope you're having a fantastic day. Thank you for those of you who have stuck with me on the channel and you're still here. Thank you for watching. I'm going to continue to try to work hard and provide you the best information I possibly can. So until next time, folks, let's get to the money.